The journey of the Atlantic cod begins in the brutal, nutrient-rich depths of the Barents Sea. To reach the schools, massive nets are deployed hundreds of meters into the dark abyss. Precise sonar technology guides the gear toward the densest concentrations of fish. Efficiency is key. Thousands of pounds are gathered in a single, controlled sweep. Bringing the harvest aboard requires a delicate balance of mechanical power and seafaring grit. Within seconds of leaving the water, the cooling process must begin to preserve the delicate flesh. Only the highest quality Atlantic cod are selected for the premium fillet market. Rapid chilling is the first line of defense in maintaining the frozen-at-sea standard. From the wild ocean deck, the catch enters the high-tech world of the onboard factory. Below deck, the ship transforms from a fishing vessel into a high-speed processing plant. Every meter of the ship is optimized to move the catch toward the freezers in minutes. Temperature control is absolute. The core of the fish must reach near freezing levels immediately. Vertical logistics allow the vessel to store hundreds of tons of fresh harvest in organized tiers. Here, the cod waits a suspended state of freshness until the vessel reaches the port. After weeks at sea, the journey transitions from water to land-based logistics. Precision offloading ensures the cold chain remains unbroken during the transfer. Specialized transport fleets bridge the gap between the rugged docks and the sterile factory.
Bin secured, doors closing.
The central processing hub is a fortress of temperature-controlled precision. Secure docking creates a seamless bridge between the transport and the sterile zone. Maintaining the cold chain is non-negotiable from the moment the fish enters the facility. Biological security begins with the staff before a single fish is touched. Every touchpoint is governed by rigorous hygiene protocols. Armor and plastic meet to ensure both safety and total product purity. This pressurized environment prevents external contaminants from ever reaching the line. Organized staging ensures a constant, uninterrupted flow to the primary lines. The transformation from whole sea harvest to consumer-ready product now begins. Primary sanitation ensures every fish is surgically clean before the first cut is made. Optical transparency allows for an immediate visual check of the raw material's integrity. Advanced laser telemetry categorizes the catch by size with sub-millimeter precision. Sorting by weight ensures that the downstream automated machinery operates at peak efficiency. Perfect alignment is the prerequisite for the high-speed robotic filleting process. Removing every ice crystal prevents interference with the sensitive blade sensors. Human expertise remains the final authority in the factory's rigorous quality chain. Every movement is calculated to maximize the yield of the premium loin. The raw harvest is now ready for its transformation into the world's most sought-after whitefish fillets. Precision at the start of the cut ensures that not a single gram of premium loin is wasted. High-speed mechanical evisceration maintains the interior cleanliness of the fillet. Automated removal of byproducts happens in milliseconds to prevent cross-contamination. The core of the cod is revealed, showing the iconic translucent white flakes of the Atlantic species. Every part of the fish is utilized, funneling the frames toward high-protein meal production. Removing the skin without damaging the delicate fat layer requires perfect blade tension. Computer-controlled water jets provide a cleaner finish than any traditional steel knife. Advanced sensors detect even the smallest calcification, ensuring a boneless consumer experience. The whole fish has been transformed into a perfect canvas of pure white protein. Volume scanning technology ensures every portion is weighted to the exact milligram. Categorizing the cuts allows the factory to maximize the value of the different muscle textures. A light touch of brine preserves the succulent mouthfeel Atlantic cod is famous for. For specialized lines, the cod is prepared with artisanal coatings for the ready meal market. A 30-second flash fry locks the texture in place before final freezing. Gradual cooling prevents the coating from becoming soggy before it hits the deep freeze. Automation handles the product with a gentleness that rivals human hands. Oxygen is removed entirely, extending the shelf life without the need for preservatives. Prepared and protected, the cod is ready for the final mechanical deep freeze. Individually quick frozen technology locks in cellular moisture at -40 degrees. At these temperatures, the cod becomes as durable as stone, preserving its peak nutritional value. A thin glaze of ice acts as a natural barrier against freezer burn during long-distance shipping. Computer algorithms calculate the perfect combination of fillets in a fraction of a second. The packaging system operates at 80 bags per minute, sealed in a sterile, nitrogen-flushed environment. Precision robotics eliminate human fatigue, maintaining a relentless pace 24 hours a day. Secure packaging ensures the product survives the rigors of global logistics. Every single box is assigned a digital fingerprint for total farm-to-table traceability. The system is unforgiving, only perfect weights proceed to the final stage. Vertical space is utilized to keep the floor clear for hygiene and maintenance access. Precision timing prevents bottlenecks, keeping the high-speed line in a constant state of flow. Heavy-duty robotics handle the weight, ensuring perfectly stable stacks for international transit. Protective wrapping secures the cargo against the vibrations of sea and road travel. Reinforced corners prevent the boxes from crushing under the weight of stacked cargo. Total weight verification is the final safeguard before the product enters deep cold storage. In the dark of the deep freeze, the cod reaches its final resting point before dispatch. Technology and human oversight ensure that the world's supply of Atlantic cod is tracked in real time. Scientific verification is the gatekeeper between the factory floor and the consumer's plate. Daily microbial audits ensure that the facility's sanitation protocols remain at medical-grade standards. We test for thaw stability to ensure the fish retains its natural juices and firm bite. Molecular analysis confirms that the flash freezing process has kept the protein chains perfectly intact. While machines measure weight, the human palate remains the ultimate judge of flavor and texture.
Clean aroma, perfect texture, score 10 out of 10.
Multi-stage metal detection provides an absolute guarantee of consumer safety. X-ray technology catches what the human eye cannot, ensuring a 99.9% bone-free product. Verifying the modified atmosphere inside the bag is the final step in preventing oxidation. With every test passed, the batch is officially certified for global distribution. Precision logistics ensure that the oldest stock moves first, maintaining peak freshness. From this hub, the harvest is funneled to the world's most demanding culinary markets. The cold chain is a continuous link that must never be broken, even for a second.
All good here.
Maximum density loading ensures fuel efficiency and cargo stability during transit. The result of this journey is a product of unmatched purity and texture. Hundreds of tons of high-quality protein are now ready for the final mile. And this is how modern factories produce Atlantic cod from start to finish. Every shipment carries the reputation of the fleet and the precision of the facility. Pure, professional, sustained.